Outlook emails. Stuck in Outbox? Fix large attachments, work offline, and send/receive. Is your Outlook email showing sending but never actually leaving the outbox? Before you delete your account or reinstall Outlook, there are a few simple fixes that solve this problem in most cases. A stuck email is commonly caused by a large attachment, work offline mode being enabled, thus internet connection problems, mailbox storage limits, or a temporary Outlook sending issue. In this video, I'll show you each fix step by step. Step 1. Confirm the email is really in the outbox. First, open Outlook. In the left navigation panel, click Outbox. Make sure your email is actually sitting in the outbox. Sometimes people mistake messages in drafts or sent items for stuck emails. If the email is in drafts, it was never sent. If it's already in sent items, Outlook successfully submitted the message. Only continue with the next steps if the message is still inside the outbox. Step 2. Check work offline mode. One of the most common reasons emails don't send is that Outlook is in work offline mode. Go to the Send/Receive tab. Look for the Work Offline button. If it's highlighted, Outlook is disconnected from the mail server. Simply click it once to turn Work Offline off. Wait a few seconds and see whether the email starts sending automatically. If nothing happens, move on to the next step. Step 3. Stop the sending loop. Sometimes Outlook gets stuck trying to send the same email repeatedly. Here's how to stop that loop. First, temporarily enable Work Offline again. Now open the outbox. You'll usually be able to open the stuck email without Outlook constantly trying to send it. From here, you have 3 options. Delete the message, move it to drafts, or edit the email before sending again. If you make changes, save the message first before returning Outlook online. This often clears the sending problem immediately. Step 4. Check attachment size. Large attachments are another major reason emails stay in the outbox. If you're attaching large videos, zip files, or high-resolution images, your mail server may reject the message, or Outlook may struggle to upload it. Open the email and check the attachment. If it's very large, remove it. Instead of attaching the file directly, upload it to OneDrive or SharePoint if your organization uses them. Then simply share the file link inside the email. Cloud links are faster, easier to manage, and avoid attachment size limits. After reducing the attachment size, try sending the email again. Step 5. Check your connection and mailbox status. Next, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try opening a few websites in your browser. If your internet is unstable, Outlook may be unable to contact the mail server. Also, verify that Outlook is signed in. If you're using a Microsoft account or Microsoft 365 account, confirm there are no sign-in warnings. Another thing to check is mailbox storage. If your mailbox is full, Outlook may stop sending new emails until space becomes available. Delete unnecessary messages or empty the deleted items folder if needed. Step 6. Restart Outlook and use Send/Receive. If the problem still isn't fixed, completely close Outlook. Wait a few seconds. Open Outlook again. If you enabled Work Offline earlier, return Outlook to online mode. Now go to the Send/Receive tab. Click Send/Receive all folders. Watch the status bar. If everything is working correctly, Outlook should now send the stuck email. Many temporary syncing problems disappear after a simple restart. Step 7. Repair the Outlook profile. If emails continue getting stuck every time you send one, the Outlook profile itself may have become corrupted. This is usually the last troubleshooting step after checking everything else. You can create a new Outlook profile through Windows Mail settings or repair the existing profile using Microsoft Office repair tools. A damaged Outlook profile or cached mailbox can sometimes prevent emails from sending correctly. Only use this step if the previous fixes didn't solve the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Tech Fix Guides for more easy-to-follow Windows, Outlook, and Microsoft Office tutorials.